All right, there she is, running away, idling. Sounds really good. Nice and steady. Timing is set. Carbs are set. This is actually about the first start. First time I've had a chance to video it. So it's looking pretty good. Come over here, check the oil. Okay, you can see good oil flow. Sounds pretty good. All right, I'm going to turn it off, let it sit for a while. Okay, for a complete engine rebuild, pretty good. Let's turn this fan off. There, that's less noise. Total rebuild. I'll put the seat on it, dress it out, close up the primary, put some oil in it. And it's about ready to do a test ride. Looking good. I'll take a video when we do the test ride. It's a pretty bike.